Here I have Pocophone F1 and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning let me switch off the device, press power key, choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Afterwards you need to find the slot to your card. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's use some thumb tag or special eject tool to open this slot. Let's just press it. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. And here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So let me at first insert the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, now let's insert the Nano SIM. The Nano SIM should be placed like that with the characteristic edge right here. And this is the properly prepared slot. Let me just insert again my micro SD. And now let's put the whole thing into your device. Let's just press it to the end and let's simply press the power key to switch on the smartphone. The Pocophone is switching on. Let me just check out if both cards work properly. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen. Let's choose settings. Here let's tap SIM cards and mobile networks. As you can see the device is using one SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back. Now let's choose the storage and here we should find the information about our SD card. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.